Yes. Good morning, beautiful people. What we have for you today is some sunshine and the geometric sequence. I have numbers 1 and 5 from the worksheet that is attached to today's announcement for you. I will work out. You are that's the bear. You are responsible for 2 through 9, and then give number 10 a shot. All right, for number 1, here's what we're going to do. The directions say let's find the next 3 terms and let's identify what the common ratio is. The common ratio is what we're multiplying by, not counting. It's going to be multiplying every time. So in this case, I'm just going to identify a couple of party players here. A1 is the first term. And then R is the common ratio, okay? That's going to be multiplying by 4. And then N is who we're solving for, okay? Those are the 3, that's what the 3 letters represent. So A, first term, R, common ratio, and who we're solving for. Let's go to work on number 1. Clearly, I'm multiplying by 4 every time, so the common ratio is 4. So for numbers 2, 3, and 4, this is what you'll do. You'll figure out what it's multiplying by, and you can use a calculator for that if you need to. And then I need the next 3 terms, so I can use a calculator. 64 times 4 is 256. I know that, you know that. 256 times 4 is 1024, okay? And then one more time, 1024 times 4 is 4096, okay? That is the common ratio, and that is how to figure out how to find the next 3 terms. That is for questions 2, 3, and 4 on the sheet. Let's jump down to number 5, where it gives you a sentence. It says the first term is 2, the common ratio is 4, and find the 6th term. Let's pull out the info we need. We're talking A1. In this case, it's 2, the first term. We're talking the common ratio, in this case, 4, given. And now let's solve for the nth term, which is 6. Now, here's the question you have. Let's go to our formula. We're gonna solve for the nth term, 2, please. 2, first term, common ratio, 4, and now watch this. I put who I'm solving for in the exponent. So we're talking 6 minus 1. Here's your question. Why do we take away 1? We take away 1 because one of the 6 terms is already spoken for right here, the 2. So because there's a 2 in the equation, the first term, we don't need to solve for 6 more than, we only need 5 more than, if that makes sense. Okay, let's go slowly. We'll go, exponents goes first. 6 minus 1 is 5, so we're gonna go 2, 4, 5, okay? And then we're gonna figure out now what goes next, exponent. 4 to the 5th, thank you. Okay, let's turn our calculator sideways. I'm gonna do the exponent second now. So I'm gonna go 4, and then here's our to the power of, like the XY button, please, to the power of 5, okay? 1024, A-N, 2, 1024, and I'll leave that right on my calculator, and I'll just times that by 2 finally. And that gets us to 248. And we're home free, okay? So, recap, common ratio, what we're counting by. N is who we're solving for. And then A1 is the first term. Okay, that's it. Please knock out 2 through 9 and give 10 a shot. I like making this nice little column right here of just who I need, okay? First term, R, N, who I'm solving for, and I just plug and play. Here is the equation, one more time. It's AN equals the first term times the common ratio, and then who I'm solving for minus 1 in the exponent. And all of this is calculator biz, okay? Take your time, knock it out. 2 through 9, give 10 a shot. All right, love, love, love.